Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are doing well at home. Welcome back to my class. As you all know that we are revising SAT2 syllabus. Fourth lesson, the piece of cheese. Now, children, please take out page number 57. Let us see the explanation part. Nibbly Mouse and Creaky Mouse are hungry. So these two mice named Nibbly and Creaky, they are feeling very hungry. So they want a piece of cheese. Then they came out of their hole in the kitchen. So Nibbly Mouse asked, "Where is the cheese?" Then Creaky said, "Let us look around." Then Nibbly said, "Is it on the table?" Then Creaky said, "No, there are fruits on the table." So what are these, children? These are fruits, right? So these fruits are on the table. Then Nibbly asked, "Is it in the red bowl?" Then Creaky said, "No, there is an egg in the bowl." So what is in the bowl, children? Egg. E-double-G, egg. There is an egg in the bowl. Then Nibbly said, "Is it under that chair?" Is it under that chair? Then Creaky said, "No. Danny Kitten is sleeping under the chair." Who is here? Yes, Danny Kitten. What is she doing? She is sleeping. Then Nibbly said, "Wait, what is that near Danny Kitten?" Nibbly said to Creaky Mouse. Then Creaky Mouse said, "It is a piece of cheese. The cheese is yellow in color." Yes. Then Nibbly said, "I'm scared." Why he is scared? Because he is fearing of Danny Kitten. Then Creaky said, "Don't be scared. I will be going near the Danny Kitten and I will catch this cheese in my mouth and I will come back." Then she runs quickly. The two mice run back together to the hole. Then Nibbly asked, "Is Danny awake?" Then Creaky said, "No, Danny is still asleep." Nothing but Danny is still sleeping. Then Nibbly, "Squeak, squeak, now we can eat this yummy cheese," said Nibbly to Creaky Mouse. Then they both nibble the cheese. Nibble is nothing but taking the small bites of cheese. They started eating the cheese and now they are not hungry. They are feeling very happy. Yes. Now let us see based on these question answers. First one, why do Nibbly Mouse and Creaky Mouse come out of their hole? Yeah, because they are hungry. So that's why they came out of their hole. So where are the fruits, children? The fruits are on the table. So what is in the red bowl? An egg is in the red bowl. Who is Danny here? Danny is a kitten. As you can see here, Danny is a kitten. Very good. Next, are the mice happy after eating the cheese? Yes, they are very happy. This fourth answer is not necessary to learn, children. And B bit is also not necessary. Now let us see here grammar bit. Look at the pictures and read the questions. Answer with yes or no. This grammar is of preposition. So what is preposition? Preposition tells you where someone or something is. Examples of preposition are on, in, under, above and behind. So these are the examples of prepositions. Now let us see one bit based on preposition. First one, is the cow under the tree? Is the cow under the tree, children? Yes, the cow is under the tree. Now, next page. Is the frog on the log? No. Is there milk in the glass? Yes, there is a milk in the glass. Next, fourth one. Is the mouse behind the cupboard? No. Next, fifth one. Is the plane above the water? Yes. Now let us see B bit. Look at the picture and complete the sentences with on, in, above, under and behind. So first one, the sandwich is dash the plate. The sandwich is on the plate. Second one, the juice is dash the glass. The juice is in the glass. Next, third one, the cat is dash the table. The cat is under the table. Next, fourth one, the fan is dash the table. The fan is above the table. Next, fifth one, the fridge is dash Rima. The fridge is behind Rima. Next, sixth one, the bottle is dash the table. The bottle is on the table. Okay, children? Then you have to just learn these spellings. R-E-D, red. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. B-L-U-E, blue. P-I-N-K, pink. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. G-R-E-E-N, green. So till here you have to learn, children. This backside page no need to learn. Now let us see one poem. The poem is Little White Cloud. So take out page number 75. Take out page number 75, children. Little white clouds. So little white cloud floating in the sky. Here floating is nothing but moving in the air. So little white cloud just passing by, nothing but moving along. The little white cloud is moving along with the sky. Then sometimes you look so light and bright, and sometimes you look as dark as night. So who looks here as light and bright? Yes, the clouds. Then little white cloud floating in the sky and little white cloud just passing by. Now based on this you have the question answers. First one, what floats in the sky? Yes, the cloud floats in the sky. What does it do? The cloud floats. Then third one, sometimes you look. What are the two different ways it looks? The cloud sometimes look light and bright, and sometimes it looks as dark as night. Alright, so B bit, second one, let us see the rhyming words. Rhyming words are the words that sound the same, right? Loud, cloud, crowd, kite, night, bite, right, light, sight. Alright, children, so till here we will stop. The remaining lessons I will be explaining you in the next video. So till then you just go through the reading practice, learn well, take care, bye bye.